how to use two apps in Samsung. Now first of all, there are two ways to do this. One way is by simply opening up settings. It is a simpler way. So open up settings and then just go to advanced features, then go to dual messenger. Here you will see a list of available apps that you can use two accounts for. So let's say I want to install second copy of Facebook. I can turn this on and install a second copy of Facebook. So if the app that you want is shown over here and it is supported, you can use this method. But if it is not supported, then we will do this by using the help of a feature on a Samsung phone called Secure Folder. If you have not yet set up Secure Folder, make sure you do that first. Once you set up Secure Folder on your Samsung device, it is a Samsung Galaxy feature itself. Here you can just simply create a second copy of all the apps that you want to hide and so on. So here you can tap the plus icon and choose to install another copy of the app by tapping the add option, and then you'll be able to add that app inside Secure Folder. And one of the app will be outside of Secure Folder, another app will be inside. But if the one that you want to use actually does support inside this available apps from the list, then you can also use that feature instead of using the Secure Folder, which is a bit more complicated. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.